I'm so nervous.
Don't worry. You've got this.
I think we should wait before deciding.
You've got a point.
Something feels off about that guy.
I've got a bad feeling about this.
I just want a free trip to Italy.
You've got to be kidding.
I don't know if I can do this presentation.
Come on, you've got nothing to lose.
I failed my exam.
It's okay. We've all had bad days.
What if we film the scene outside instead?
That's genius. You've got a great mind.
She's cute, right?
Totally. She's got it all.
Do you know how to fix this?
No, I've got no idea.
Did you hear that?
Oh, we've got company.